हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं तुषार सर आपका गाइड पार्ट 6 लेके आ गया हूँ फ्रॉम द चैप्टर प्राइमरी एक्टिविटीज़ पार्ट 6 ऑफ 30 MCQ, जिसमें हम टॉपिक कवर करेंगे मेडिटेरेनियन एग्रीकल्चर। यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं जो हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है। और आप जो पहले के जो MCQs थे आपने बहुत ही अच्छे रिजल्ट किया। सो आइए देखते हैं। MCQ 1, मेडिटेरेनियन एग्रीकल्चर इज़ मेनली ए फॉर्म ऑफ MCQ 2, which region is an important supplier of citrus fruits? MCQ 3, viticulture refers to the cultivation of. MCQ 4, which crop is a specialty of Mediterranean agriculture? MCQ 5, inferior quality grapes are commonly processed into. MCQ 6, which of the following is also produced in the Mediterranean region? MCQ 7, Mediterranean agriculture is practiced in southern. MCQ 8, which country is specialized in growing flowers, especially tulips? MCQ 9, market gardening mainly focuses on. MCQ 10, market gardening is primarily carried out for. MCQ 11, market gardening farms are generally. MCQ 12, truck farming refers to farming specializing mainly in. MCQ 13, factory farming involves livestock being kept mainly in. MCQ 14, which livestock is specifically mentioned in factory farming? MCQ 15, factory farming requires what kind of specialty? MCQ 16, what is the major advantage of Mediterranean agriculture mentioned in the passage? MCQ 17, which combination correctly represents important Mediterranean crops mentioned in the passage? MCQ 18, the Mediterranean agricultural region extends in North Africa approximately from. MCQ 19, which of the following regions is not mentioned as an area of Mediterranean agriculture? So next, MCQ 20, why are market gardening farms generally located close to urban centers? MCQ 21, which combination best describes market gardening? MCQ 22, which technology is associated with market gardening according to the passage? MCQ 23, the Netherlands is particularly famous in the passage for. MCQ 24, the distance of a truck farm from its market is mainly governed by. MCQ 25, which statement best distinguishes truck farming from general market gardening? MCQ 26, which is not specifically mentioned as a requirement of factory farming? MCQ 27, scientific breeding in a factory farming is closely associated with. MCQ 28, which sequence correctly represents the increasing importance of technology and capital in the passage? MCQ 29, a farmer growing high value vegetables near a large city using irrigation, HIV seeds, fertilizers and greenhouses is most likely practicing. MCQ 30, a farmer rearing poultry in controlled stalls using manufactured feed, veterinary services, machinery and scientific breeding is most likely involved in. So here is our answer key, my dear everyone, 1 to 15. Then answer key from 16 to 30 आप यहाँ देख सकते हो। आई होप आपका स्कोर अच्छा रहे, और अगर आप कोई कंसेप्ट मिस कर रहे हो तो आप मुझे मैसेज करो। मैं आपका गाइड हमेशा आपके लिए हाजिर हूँ, आपको गाइड करने के लिए, आपको कंसेप्ट समझाने के लिए। सो थैंक यू एवरीवन। जय जगन्नाथ। आई विश यू लर्न, यू ग्रो, यू अचीव सक्सेस। दैट इज़ माई विश ओनली, राइट। सो जय जगन्नाथ। थैंक यू एवरीवन।